In this tutorial, we will explain how to create a timer for questions using JavaScript in Articulate Storyline 360. Open your Articulate Storyline project file where you intend to add timer for questions. Step 1. Creating a variable. Access the Triggers panel located on the right side of the screen. Select Manage Project Variables. Click on Create a new variable. Name the variable as time and set its type number with default value to 0. Step 2. Embed JavaScript into the Storyline project. Select Create a new trigger. Configure the trigger action to execute JavaScript. Copy and paste the given JavaScript code into your Storyline project. You have the flexibility to adjust the time allocated for questions according to your specific needs. In this example, we've set the time limit to 20 seconds for each question. Make sure that the function executes when the timeline starts on this slide. Step 3. Adding a trigger to show the Time's Up layer. Select Create a new trigger. Configure the trigger action to show layer. Trigger it when the variable time changes. In condition, set the variable time is greater than or equal to 20. Step 4. Preview and test. Preview your Storyline project to test the functionality. Ensure that users are unable to attempt the question after 20 seconds have elapsed. Verify that the time variable updates correctly and that the timer stops after 20 seconds. Thank you for watching the video.